Okay, welcome back. This is a series of videos on how to make a box, and I have done all of this so far. We had an Adobe Illustrator look on how we create the outline. We brought it back into here to Cricut Design Space and created the score lines. And then we went to Photoshop and printed a piece of paper for it. In this video, we are going to send this shape to the Cricut to cut it out and make the score lines on that piece of paper that we cut last time. And then in our final video, we will assemble the box. All right, so this video, we're going to go up here. So a couple of things that we've talked about before. One is that this cut file has a red exclamation point next to it. That means that it will not fit, we'll tell you, on an 8.5 by 11 paper. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to fix the size of the paper. And so I'm going to come up here and I'm going to go to my into my settings, and I'm going to say, okay, here on my load type for print then cut page size, I'm going to put in 11 by 17, and that would be on a 12 by 24 mat. Okay, I'm going to hit done, and then that goes away. Now it's going to tell me this is not going to print well. It's just low resolution, but I don't need to print from here. So I'm going to turn this operation from print and cut to just a basic cut. All I needed to do is cut out those lines. Make sense? All right, so now we have a basic cut and we have a bunch of score lines. So what we're going to do is we're going to select all and attach. And then we're going to come over here to make. And it's going to show me what it's going to look like on that 12 by 24 mat. And what my material size is going to be 11 by 17. And then I'm going to say from here, continue. It's going to connect to my Cricut. And I am going to say this is 100-pound cardstock that I'm using because it's a box. That's going to cause me to use a double scoring wheel, and that's fine. This I'm going to change from default pressure to more pressure. And then I'm going to load my mat with my printed page on it, and it is going to cut and score it. You'll see the result in our next video in the series.